Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside inspection camera, ideal for repairs and maintenance around the house and for the car. Can be used to inspect small hollow spaces, pipes or hard to reach areas with a 3 years warranty. TFT LCD display 4.3 inch, 10.9 cm diameter, IP67 waterproof camera probe and gooseneck 0.8 mm, with 6 wide dimmable LEDs, 10 brightness settings, 4 zoom function, black and white function, storage space up to 10,000 pictures. With USB-C port allows photos and videos to be transferred to devices such as laptops or tablets via cable, or even to your PC of course. This is the newest model. You can check the oldest model down below the description or after the end of this video right in the corner. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out how we can use this inspection camera. And of course inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. 4 2A batteries. Type A to Type C cable, it is about 80 centimeters, I like the length. Magnetic pickup, find any metal with this magnet. You can install at the front of the camera. Mirror hook, same in here, you can install that in front of the camera. And we have this hook. And these two plastic tool holders. I will show you how it works. Now let's move on at the camera. We have this lovely bag. You can have everything here. These accessories with a cable. You can have this at your belt. And there it is, green and black with red buttons. The display resolution is 480 by 272. Now let's check at the front the buttons. We have the recording button, scroll picture, very soft by the touch. The playback button, delete picture. The on off button and back button. Display brightness button, rotate and mirror picture. The light button, scroll picture. And the zoom button, black and white function. Here we have the USB port Type C and connect it to your laptop, PC, wherever you want. The memory card slot, you can install a micro SD card. Nice. At the back obviously we have the battery compartment. You need 4 2A batteries. And of course we have the camera head. Wow, it is about 1 meter all the length. I like it. Very convenient. You can have this around here. And all the time you can just unfold and use it. There is then the camera. Camera resolution is 640 by 480. And around we can see the 10 LEDs. Now let's switch it on. Can't wait. I like it. Press and hold the on off button. Oh, Parkside. Oh, instantly we have picture. Wow, I like the resolution. I can read the letters. And of course you can zoom 4 times. and zoom. Take a picture, maximum 10,000. There's the pictures. You can check the pictures. First, third, second, first. Press and hold delete the picture. And back again. Another picture. Press and hold this button. It will start recording. I like it. Press once, it stops. Let's go at the recording. Press this button, it will start play the video. I like it. Good resolution. Let's go back. With this button you can decrease and increase the brightness of the display. Maximum. Or press this button, you can just turn on the light. Front of the camera. Just to check without my studio lights how much brightness it has. This is the maximum. I like it. And there we can see, and here off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 brightness settings. I like it. It is cool. I like in this feature. In the oldest model, they didn't have LED lights at the front of the camera. And off. And the lights are back. And we can see the battery level indicator at the display. Now let's inspect some areas. Starting from my car engine, I can see some spots and zoom 4 times. Or at any tight areas. I can check the air ventilation of my car. Or some other tight areas inside the car. And because the camera is waterproof, you can check any pipes with water. investigate any pipes with problems. Or you can just press and hold this button, change the orientation, five different orientations. I like it. Press and hold this button goes to the black and white function. Maybe it is more suitable to use this function. Press and hold again, color. Or if you want, you can use one of these accessories, maybe the mirror. We have a tiny hole here at the base of the camera. Install the mirror first, then this plastic. There it is. It has a small gap. And now you can use the mirror with a camera. And now we can see everything from the mirror. Maybe that is more suitable for you, and use the mirror. Or if you want, you can use the magnet. Install the plastic with the magnet. And again, that goes at this tiny hole. So easy. And then, again, you can use the magnet, find a lost item. So easy, I like it. Or if you want, you can use only the hook. There's a hook. And again, install first the one end at this tiny hole. And there it is with a hook. Maybe you want to find something in a tight area. There it is. It is very useful. I'm sure in the right moment you can use it. Well, my viewers, if you need that kind of product, it costs only 60 euros. I think the price it is very good. It has so many functions. You can storage up to 25 minutes of video, 10,000 photos on a micro SD, increasing the LEDs at the front of the camera, increasing the brightness at the display, zoom and zoom. You can remove the micro SD, install it at your laptop or PC and transfer all the files. And at the right moment you can use it, investigate at any tight to reach area, investigate something maybe at your car. You have seen on my video, so many possibilities. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.